Hello guys, welcome back to the part 2 of this series where we will find our two fast bowlers and two spinners so that we can complete our best 11 of Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians between 2008 and 2019. So as you can remember, for fast bowlers and spinner I have these criteria. So let's go ahead. For how can we calculate the bowling economy? Bowling economy is basically total number of runs given divided by total number of balls taken, and bowling strike rate is total number of balls bowled divided by total number of wickets taken. So we'll simply need to pivot this. Let me clear out all the other sheets. We have to simply pivot this data. We have to add match ID. We have to add bowler. We have to add total runs. Bowler has given total balls bowled. This has to be the sum. This has to be the count and not the sum. And then is wicket, sum of his wicket. Perfect. Just go to design, click report layout, choose tabular form, do not show subtotals, and here we have our final data for the bowlers. Copy and paste it here and repeat the same process, this formula, and then now I have to select whole of column A, press Ctrl G, go to special, go to blanks, paste the formula, copy this and paste as values. This is the total wickets taken, this is the total runs conceded, and this is the total balls bowled. And now we have to pivot it again. We will need the count of match. Okay, we will need bowler. We will need runs, total runs conceded. We need total balls bowled and wickets, total wickets taken. Here we have our final data. Now we have already two two overseas player and we can still take two overseas player. Keeping that in mind, let's go to our bowler data, put a filter, and as usual count of match ID should be greater than 5. Economy should be total runs conceded divided by total balls bowled into 6. Why 6? Because economy is always count as total number of runs considered in an over, and 1 over is 6 balls. That's why I'm multiplying it by 6. Paste this. Perfect. Now let us convert everything to number. Similarly, strike rate is nothing but total number of balls bowled divided by total wickets taken. These are the number of balls taken to take a wicket on an average to take a wicket. These are the total number of balls bowled on an average to take a wicket by the bowlers. Now, for the fast bowler, we are optimizing more for strike rate and less for economy. Hence, we want the best strike rate. So we will sort it out. We need a bowling strike rate of at least 50. We need a bowling strike rate of at least 15, and economy should be less than 8. Perfect. I think we have these will be our list. So I'm planning to take one overseas fast bowler and one overseas spinner. So hence I will go with one overseas fast bowler here, and I will consider between Malinga. I will have to consider between Malinga and DJ Bravo. So As you can see, Malinga is the best here, but Bravo is also an all-rounder. So, considering different situations in match, I can have Malinga in my team or I can have Bravo in my team. But going by only stats, I will definitely take Malinga as my fast bowler. Now, from the other four, I will need two Indian, I will need one Indian fast bowler. As you can see, Oja, as you can see, Oja has a tremendous stats, 6.5 of economy, but also he has played only 7 matches. But considering those 7 matches, I will take Oja or I will have to take Mohit Sharma. If Oja is available, I will definitely take him because of his strike rate and economy. Now for spinners, I am trying to optimize for more for economy. Hence, I will sort on the economy. The strike rate can be 18. I don't mind that, but my economy should be less than 8. So here we can consider these bowlers. From this, obviously we cannot take fast bowler. And now since we are optimizing for economy and less for strike rate, the strike rate can be at least 25. A strike rate can be 25. I don't mind that, but let me sort this also, and so my strike rate should be at least 25. Now from this I have to select quality spinners. Harbhajan Singh, no doubt, is the best spinner. I will need one Indian spinner and one overseas spinner because that's what I want in my team to be a perfect playing 11 considering 4 overseas in different departments. Now I want one overseas spinner. Can I get one? I can go with Imran Tahir. He has a little bit of more economy, but his strike rate is pretty good, as you can see. Hence, I will go with Imran Tahir here. Based on your choice, you can make your own team, but this will be my team considering these parameters. I know I might receive many feedbacks and there is no one perfect team, okay? The teams depend on the match situation, on the venue, on against whom you are playing. The team depends on that, but considering pure statistics and your own personal parameters, this will be my team. Obviously, if you tune this parameter, your team will change. And since I was considering one overseas from my spinner, one overseas from my fast bowling, one overseas from finisher, and one overseas from opener, this is why I have selected this team. If I would change the combination of overseas, then my team would be different. But I guess this is a pretty good team and you cannot disagree with that. Thank you for staying till the end and I hope you really enjoy this video and you will try to make your own team. Thank you. Bye.